What's going on, Daytona fans? Welcome to another episode of Raw Files. And today we're going to be talking about winter storage and battery maintenance. So the point of this video is just to let you guys know that there are other options out there besides what I'm about to do. So I haven't started Titan in about a week now. And, you know, I changed her oil and then I drove her in and I parked her. Now, if you can look behind me, we had a pretty big storm. It snowed first and then it rained right after, so everything turned into ice. So if you were unlucky enough to not have shoveled prior to the rain, well, then you're kind of out of luck. But anyway, I'm just gonna open up the garage door right now and I'm gonna start tightening up. I'm gonna do the auto start and just let the auto start run for, I believe, 15 minutes. Give her a good charge and then it'll turn off on its own. And you guys are gonna get a 1 week cold start. But let me see if I can even open the door. Let me try to kind of flip the camera. Nope. So let me just try to do it this way. Well, the door opens, no problem. I'm also going to grab the motor oil out of Titan because I'm not going to be able to drive her to the auto parts store. So now I can take this oil, put it in moss back, and then take it to the auto parts store to have them recycle it. Now, if you would like to charge your battery, there are plenty of options out there. There are trickle chargers, which I'm looking into, and if you are someone who are definitely not going to drive your car and going to garage it for the winter, you can absolutely just take the battery out, put it in your house and put a charger in there. But my hopes is that before the springtime, there's going to be a big rainstorm that'll wash away all the snow, all the salt, and I'll be able to take her out at least once or twice throughout the winter. And then come springtime, we're back in action. We're going to be driving her a lot more. But anyway, enough of that. Let's get this 1 week cold start going. I hope it's going to be loud. I don't think she liked being woken up. She was cranking kind of slow, but that's totally normal after a week of it being there and not turning on. And of course, with this cold weather. Yesterday it was a high of 5 degrees, guys. I mean, if that's not crazy, then I don't know what is. But she starts right up because, like I said, it has only been 1 week and the battery hasn't drained enough to the point where it won't start. Anyway, we're gonna let this run, and I just wanted to do a Raw Files episode for you guys for your options for winter storage and battery, battery treatment. You never want to let your battery drain completely to zero. That does more damage than it does good. So if you have a car that you're putting away for the winter, find a way to keep that battery charged, whether it's taking it out of the car or doing what I'm doing, which is letting her start up and run for about 15 minutes. Let the alternator juice it back up. Anyway, that's it for this video. I will see you guys in the next Raw Files. Peace.